may nagpalabas daw po na welfare check na son kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
May bumisita.
Oo. Mukhang nagalit po ang BP Inday Sara Duterte. Alam mo ba sinabi niya?
Ano sabi?
Kinukundi na daw po ni BP Inday Sara Duterte ang umano'y welfare check. Ano ba itong welfare check na ito? Na mga opisyal daw po ng Philippine Embassy sa The Hague kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na anyay paglabag daw po sa consular rules at banta sa kanyang kaligtasan at binalaan po niya ang ICC at ang pamahalaan na mananagot sa anumang mangyaring masama kay FPRRD. Ano ibig sabihin? Pinuntahan ng mga medyo maikli masyado itong...
May bumisita daw para i-check daw yung welfare ng dating Pangulo. Kasi
Okay.
di ba nababalita na
payat, kung may sakit.
meron na siyang, sabi pa ng abogado, hindi na nakakakilala, di ba? So pinuntahan nung ng batay dito sa sulat Kasi wala pa namang konfirmasyon o wala pang reaction dito ang kabilang panig Binisita daw at ang dahilan i-check nga yung welfare check nga.
Ayun.
Titingnan kung anong kalagayan.
Ito ba yung statement ng OBP, Office of the Vice President?
Yes, oo.
Sige, basahin na natin siguro, no? Sa kabatiran ng ating mga taga-subaybay, para makita natin yung buong konteksto ng balitang ito. Sabi niya, I have received disturbing information from Malacanang that a report about former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte was submitted to President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. by the Philippine Embassy in The Hague. The officials entered the detention unit under the false pretense, tama ba? A false pretense of conducting a welfare check and interviewed FPRRD. The said officials clearly abused the rule of the detention unit concerning consular visits. So, ibig sabihin, mali yung ginawa nila?
Sabi,
yung mga opisyales?
ayaw nga nila tinututulan nila yung welfare check na yon. Kung meron man.
Kasi parang may listahan ata ang ICC na pwede lang po dumaraw sa kanya, no? Since the month of March, there has always been at least a family member or two, ito pala ang dahilan, that visit former President Duterte almost every day precisely to guarantee his well-being and humane treatment. The permission given by the ICC is allowing the agents of the very government that abducted FPRRD to intrude upon him without seeking permission from family members who are in The Hague, places his life and safety in imminent danger. Yun pala ang punto.
Hindi daw pinagpaalam sa pamilya.
If such sham welfare checks are allowed to continue, then the ICC and the Philippine government must be prepared to answer fully and directly for any harm that comes to former President Duterte, including should the worst happen, his death in custody as a direct result of these intrusions. The false pretense of conducting a welfare check, these are nothing but orders of President Marcos disguised as consular functions, and we strongly object to such visit. FPRRD does not need you. Ayun, our family will take care of him. Ayun pala, Nelson. So yun pala ang dahilan.
Tinututulan nila. Dahil hindi daw nagpaalam. At nangangamba sila na baka may ibang ginagawa pa. Bukod dun sa welfare check na yon.
Kaya ang kanilang contention, baka daw po manganib ang kalusugan ng dating Pangulong Duterte. Ayun.